pop tonight. All right, this is the smaller Black Cat rocket that came inside of the Cowboy pack. Pretty nice. Here goes the bigger of the two rockets in the pack for the Cowboy. Thunder Rocket by Hot Fireworks. Jeez. Big and Bad by Black Cat. Egg-shaped rocket. Can't remember the name on these. Wow, that was nice. Wolf Warrior by T-Sky. Holy crap. Fireball. This will be loud. Wow. Can still hear it. Devil Rocket. That was way louder. Metallica. So far, that was our biggest break. Radioactive. These are some of my favorites.